let's cook something amazing, Denise.
Okay.
Why don't you chop up some tomatoes and then we'll eat some of those. That would be amazing. Awesome. And then we'll have a nice, delicious, hot, super hot Thai dish. And we're going to have this chili garlic sauce, the sweet chili sauce, a couple of onions, some ginger. That's massive. Look at the size of this thing. It is massive. And some garlic. And some beef, and some broccoli.
How many?
The whole lot.
Why don't you just use powder then?
No, I want real. Right, we're going to make a Thai thing. A Thai thing. So chop that garlic up, Denise.
Well, I've got to get the paper off first.
Get the paper off first, Denise, and then we'll chop that up, and then we'll cook it, and it'll be amazing. So we've got half a dozen garlic cloves. Chuck a bit of olive oil in here. And there we go, lots of ginger, loads and loads of ginger, and more to come yet. Oh, yum. More ginger, more. What do you think? Oh, looks good, Cat, doesn't it? Hey. So that's the base. It's the garlic, the ginger, the onion, the capsicum, the broccoli. What are you doing, Denise?
I'm just saving the seeds.
We're going to save the seeds from that capsicum and we're going to grow some more. Excellent.
So these are just all mixed, so I have no idea what is what in here.
Oh, yep.
Got banana, Portuguese, yeah, other sorts of chilies and things all in here. It's only for our garden, so it doesn't really matter.
Yep. Those are not hot, right?
Oh, I don't think so. Well, you're making it hot enough as it is, so why are you worried?
Well, I'm just asking. Let me try a little bit.
Just try a little bit, just to make sure. I think it's a banana. Is it hot?
I can't tell. Maybe. Oh yeah, chop all that broccoli up, Denise. Yep, that's good. And here we go. It's a delicious Thai hot dish. Rice, broccoli, cauliflower, beef, ginger, garlic, tomato, capsicum, onion, ginger, garlic. I think I ran out of things to say. Hot, delicious, yum.